Once upon a time there was kids sleeping, and then wake up morning time, and then them will see presents all over the place when Christmas is off and over. And the moon is not gonna start again, and then it will be Christmas time again when it's snowing again. And here's the snow. That's headed down the roofs of every house of the year. And then a big pump turned up. It was winter. Yeah, it was. When it was morning time. And here's the sun. That's exactly like I am. You want some more? No, please. No. And what happens next, I think? She made the pigman! I need to start.